What is up, guys? Brady with Mini Tech Clips, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a problem with Bluetooth on computer. So basically what happens is your Bluetooth just stops working, or it just completely disappears from the settings menu and you can't get stuff to connect. Um, just know that this is pretty common, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first you want to open up settings and just make sure that you even have Bluetooth. So right here I do have it. I can connect. You can see my Bluetooth speaker is connected right now, right there, connected music. But if you're in a different boat, this whole like option right here will just literally be gone. Like, it'll be completely vanished, and when you try to connect something, it'll say Bluetooth is off. Like, for all the options that you have right there, it'll just say Bluetooth is off, and you're just confused as hell as to why nothing is connecting. So you can close out of that. What you want to do is you want to open Control Panel. You can go ahead and type in Control Panel in your search bar and click on it. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to Hardware and Sound, and then up in the top, Device Manager, and it'll open up another window. I'll make it full screen. Now, in this window, what you want to do is you want to go to View and hit Show Hidden Devices. Now, this is going to show everything that would not normally be there, and this is also the same menu where you can check like your processor and in your graphics and all the stats of your computer. So display adapters, my graphics cards, all that stuff. But what we're looking for here is Bluetooth. So if you go under the Bluetooth, you're gonna notice that if you have an Intel processor like I do, right there, Intel Core i7, it's gonna also come with all the Bluetooth drivers with it. You're gonna notice that it's just not here. It's not under the Bluetooth menu, and you're probably asking yourself, well, why is it not there? Well, it's hidden, which is why we had to click Show Hidden Devices. It's actually hidden inside another menu. If you go to where it says Lib USB-K USB devices, Intel wireless Bluetooth will be right there. You want to right click on that, hit Update Driver, and then it's going to give you two options. You want to click the top option that says Search Automatically for updated driver software, and it's basically just going to search the web for the new and updated drivers, and it will update. Now, mine are most likely gonna come up as up to date just because I showed you in the settings menu that I do have Bluetooth. But if you don't have Bluetooth, it'll tell you, yeah. So my Bluetooth speaker just reconnected, and it said Windows encountered a problem installing. You can see that. So I just gotta hit close, and I can go back to my settings, Bluetooth, and boom, it's still there. Everything is working. But if your Bluetooth was vanished before, if it's not completely there, after clicking update, after right clicking and then clicking the top option, and then Windows will automatically install the latest Bluetooth, this menu will literally just pop back up and your Bluetooth will be working again. So I hope this helps you. Hope you can make actually use of this, and leave a comment and subscribe. Peace.